Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am Lisa. Today I have this facial kit. Oh, it is very shiny. This facial kit from Aroma Magic to share with you guys. This is their 7-step skin glow facial home facial kit, and you know what guys, this one I got from Smytten absolutely free. And look at this size. This is a huge box. It is retailing for where did it go? Yeah, it is retailing for 875 rupees, and I got this entire box for free, you guys. This is not a sponsored video and this is not a paid promotion or anything. You guys can also get stuff like this free from Smytten by using their referral code. You can actually refer your referral code to your friends and family, so that you can also get some referral code points, and you can also use those points to get products like this. There are a lot of products you can choose from using their referral code points. So yeah, I got this box entirely for free, and I did not have to pay for the delivery charges or any kind of processing charges or anything. It was delivered to me entirely free. And when I ordered this one, I did not think that I would get this huge box. It actually has a lot of tiny it actually has a lot of tiny single use packets here. I initially thought, while ordering, actually I thought that I would get this one for free, not this entire box. So today I'm going to try this one and I'm going to see if it really works on my skin. It is a glow facial kit, so I think it will make my skin look glowy or something. It will give my skin a healthy glow or something. I am very excited. I really like Aroma Magic a lot. Their products are really very good, and I have used a bunch of their products and it is really very nice. So I am excited about this. Let's get started. So I will start with the face cleanser. This is a normal cleanser. It is a gel cleanser. I will just apply this cleanser to my face and massage it for 3 minutes, and then I will clean it out. Now for step 2, we have to prepare a face pack. We have to mix the AHA gel and the protein bleach together to prepare this face pack. I will just mix it together to make a smooth paste. I will apply a thin layer of this paste to my face. I will avoid my under eye area and around my mouth, and I will apply a good layer to my face and my neck and leave it on for 15 minutes. It's been 15 minutes now and it is completely dried out. I have to wet my fingers and massage my face for 3 minutes. This face pack has a cooling sensation. It does not burn or itch. I will wash it off after massaging for 3 minutes. Next we have this face serum. It comes in a tiny glass jar. This will break from the red line. Anyways, I will just apply the serum on my face and my neck, and I will just leave it for 3 minutes to dry on my skin. It's been 3 minutes now and the serum is completely absorbed into my skin. Next we have this oxygenating gel. This is a massage gel. I will just apply it all over my face and my neck and massage it for 3 to 5 minutes. So I have been massaging for around 5 minutes now, and it is not quite absorbed into my skin. I have this face pack. It's not saying to clean this gel, so I will apply this face pack right on this gel. The face pack has a very cooling effect. I will leave it on for 15 minutes. It's been 15 minutes now. It's not dried out, and I don't think it will dry, so I will just wash it off now. You guys can see my face really looks bright right now. I see an instant glow on my face, but I will see you guys tomorrow morning for the final result. I also have a sunscreen, but it is night right now, so I will apply this sunscreen tomorrow morning. Hey guys, so this is the next morning, and let's see, my skin does look a little bit brighter, and it is glowing. Actually, I noticed instant glow on my skin yesterday only, so today morning I'm quite happy with the result. It is really good, and yeah, this acne I had yesterday only. I got yesterday, so this is not for the product that I used, but I do not see any kind of breakout on my skin or any kind of rashes, redness or anything. So this product is completely usable, and I do really like the result, and I can see myself using this every once in a while. Yeah, I always like Aroma Magic products, so it is not a surprise for me that this is quite good. I actually have nothing on my skin right now. I just washed my face. I will use the sunscreen. So this is it for today, guys. I will see you soon next week. Until then, take care. Bye.